The current 7th-generation Ford Mustang, also known as the S650, will continue to be produced until 2029, when the all-electric, redesigned Mustang will begin production. This information was provided by AutoForecast Solutions, a company that uses various factors, including supply agreements and factory conditions, to make predictions. It is expected that the S650 Mustang, which was introduced earlier this year, will be discontinued around the start of 2029. This will give Ford time to make any necessary changes to the production plant. It is likely that the Flat Rock Assembly Factory near Detroit, Michigan, which has been the site for Mustang production since 2004, will be responsible for building the fully electric model. According to the report, it is thought that the Mustang EV will be based on Ford's GE 2.2 platform. This is the same platform that will be used for the second-generation Mustang Mach-E, a new Mach-E coupe, and the electric versions of the Escape and Explorer. It is understandable that there is currently limited information available about the Mustang EV. The current generation of the Mustang Mach-E uses the GE1 specialized electric vehicle architecture. The GE 2.2 platform, which will be used for the 8th-generation Mustang, will only support electric vehicles, so the new Mustang will not have a gasoline-powered internal combustion engine. When the S650 Mustang was first announced, some people expected it to offer some form of electrification, like a hybrid or plug-in hybrid option, but this does not seem to be the case and there are no plans to change this. Before Jim Farley became CEO of Ford, there was a rumor that the 7th generation of the Mustang would be mostly electric. However, Farley stopped this plan and pushed for the development and release of the Mustang Mach-E, which has proved to be a successful decision. The Mach-E has become one of the most popular models at Ford and customer demand is higher than ever. It has also helped position Ford as a strong competitor in the electric vehicle market, alongside companies such as Tesla. Introduction of the Mach-E allowed the Mustang muscle car to continue using combustion engines, including an updated naturally aspirated V8 with 480 horsepower and 415 pound-feet of torque. There is also a model with a 2.3-liter turbo inline-4 engine that produces 320 horsepower and 350 pound-feet of torque. Both engines can be paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, with a 10-speed automatic transmission available as an option. If you always wanted to have a V8 Stang, now is the time to make your dreams come true. The current model is its last incarnation. Some people consider it the best. Others argue that the only real Mustang was made back in '68. Whichever side you're on, the clock is ticking. 2029 is not that far away.